This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice.
Every day, millions of trades flood the market. Each one looks the same on the surface, a number, a tick, a jump of movement. But underneath, something deeper is happening. You see, most traders see charts, lines, candles, colors, but behind those candles is intent, hidden flows of capital, moving quietly, strategically, and shaping what everyone else believes is random. There's a moment before every major move, a shift, and you can't always see it on a chart. Sometimes you can only feel it if you know what to look for, because the market isn't just reacting, it's communicating. Every large order, every sudden absorption, every imbalance, they're signals in a language that few have ever learned to understand. And when momentum flips, when liquidity vanishes and volatility spikes out of nowhere, it's not luck, it's the result of that hidden conversation finally tipping in one direction. You see, most traders chase candles after the fact. They react, guess, and rely on hunches. But the truth is, the clues were always there, long before the move began. And if you could decode the rhythm of capital itself, see where the big players lean in, feel when smaller ones get trapped, and sense when the tide of sentiment turns, you'd stop reacting and start anticipating. Because once you understand how money moves, you stop following the story and start reading the author. This is where the real market lives, beneath the price, inside the flow. And in a moment, you'll see how to finally hear it. Just to be clear, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact indicator I used that changed my order flow analysis in what I consider to be the next level. And don't worry, I'll also share how you can get access to this indicator too. But first, I'm going to show you exactly how I use this tool to spot setups each and every day. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers strong, and your support helps us keep making tools just like this for the community we love. And the indicator I'm talking about is called Orderflow IQ, but I'm specifically looking at the Delta class indicator preset. And now this might just look like a table of random numbers, but it's not. It tells a story. And if you see here, we can see this table lists CVD by order size. So we get to split up the volume that takes place on each and every candle and figure out what part of that volume was whales, what was small inconsequential orders, and which orders fall right in between. So first, let me explain what the indicator is doing. It's taking volume from all bar history and figuring out what's considered high volume, medium volume, and low volume. And by doing this, the indicator is classifying the volume thresholds for small traders, medium traders, and whales and institutions. And the whole point of this indicator is to filter out the noise from small and average traders and strictly focus on what whales and institutions are doing, whether big money is buying or selling. And even on my chart here, during this entire up move that took place over 15 minutes, you can see that average and small sized traders have been stuck in negative CVD throughout the entire move. But what's driving this move is this top row here, where all the green boxes are. This is big money, and this top row shows exactly how much they're buying and selling. It's CVD attached only to their orders. And while small money and average money have been sitting in negative CVD trying to figure out what's going to happen next, big money was buying. And this caused price to rise almost 1% in 15 minutes. Now, I know you're probably wondering, okay, this is awesome information to have, but how exactly do I use this information in my daily trading plan? And I'm going to show you one simple trick that I use that helps my analysis while using this indicator. And I have here an excellent example to show you. Now, check out this uptrend here, a decent move for 30 minutes, about 0.7%. But if we take a look at the Delta class table, we can see that this uptrend was primarily driven by small money and average money. And the entire time, by looking at this top row, we can see that big money CVD barely moved an inch. It stayed negative but flat. not increasing or decreasing. And the story behind this move is, well, big money isn't buying it. And although this uptrend looks strong on the chart, it lacks conviction from the market's most important participants. And well, ultimately, the uptrend failed and inevitably reversed all the gains it achieved in that short period of time. But how could I have known that this was possibly going to happen? And the answer is this top row right here. Despite the sea of green from small and average traders pushing price higher over the time period, the biggest backers stayed out. And as price inched higher and higher, they started settling into the move. As you can see, the top row get a brighter and brighter red, which means that CVD is decreasing to new all-time lows for big money. And this caused the entire move to reverse. And later on, average money and small money came into agreement with exactly what big money was doing all along. Now, the lesson I learned from this is that I love to spot when there's divergence or disagreement between big money and small money, because this can give me a strong inference into where price might go next. You see, if price is increasing as it was during this uptrend, and it's fueled by small money buying with big money not participating, then I don't have conviction in the move and I'm waiting for a reversal. Or if price is decreasing and it's fueled by small money shorting but big money isn't joining in, then I'll be waiting for an upside reversal. And not only that, but Orderflow IQ comes with a ton of different custom coded order flow based indicators, and it's the only tool I use for my order flow analysis each and every day. It works with tick data. It's as mathematically accurate as of an order flow tool as you'll find on other platforms. This indicator comes with footprints, historical volume profiles, CVD, bar delta statistics. You get the idea. But just a heads up, Orderflow IQ is a TradingView indicator that's unlocked through our affiliate terms. That means if you decide to check it out, we may earn a commission. To get the most up-to-date details on our affiliate campaign, be sure to check the link in the description, because the details can change. And be sure to let me know in the comment section below what else you want to see in Orderflow IQ, because we love it here at Trading IQ and use it every day. And we want it to be the most useful as possible order flow indicator in the entire trading ecosystem. And if you haven't already, be sure to like the video and subscribe with notifications on. Your support helps us keep making the videos we love for the community we love. And be sure to follow us on TradingView and Twitter so you're always up to date with our latest releases. And if you're looking for a trading home, check out our Discord server where we have active traders talking analysis, indicators, trading, and much more each and every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.